Hello, I'm Jake with Robinson's Flooring, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to maintain and protect your new laminate floors. So you just got a new beautiful laminate floor installed, and now you want to protect and maintain that floor. One of the first things you want to do is get floor protectors. Floor protectors look like this. They come in different shapes, different sizes, different colors. You want to put these items on furniture that move, dining room chairs, bar stools, ottomans, and even larger furniture, maybe like sofas, entertainment centers. These will help protect the floor from scratching and denting. Now, laminate floors are scratch resistant and dent resistant, but that doesn't mean that they can't scratch or dent. So this is a very easy way to protect that floor. Another thing you'll want to do is get a cleaning kit for your laminate floor. Shaw has a cleaning kit. It's a multi-purpose cleaner that will work on your laminate floor. This cleaning kit has a microfiber pad, a dust pad, the cleaning product, and a mop and handle all in this one package. Now, Bona has a product similar to it for laminate that works well too, and both of these products will work on most laminates. And I'll give you a short illustration of how you would use this product to clean it. This is the Shaw cleaner, and this is the microfiber pad. You want to spray the cleaner either directly onto the pad like this, or you can spray it directly onto the floor. Now, laminate floors are very convenient, very easy to clean. This is something you can do with the microfiber pad once a week for good maintenance. And it also comes with the dust pad that we spoke about. And that you can do every few days just to get light dust or debris off of the floor. There are a lot of cleaning products available on the market today. You can go to your grocery store, you can go online, and you can find a cleaner that may work for laminate. But you want to find the cleaner that is recommended by the manufacturer. And to get that information, it'd be best to call the store that you bought the floor from and talk to a sales consultant. Finally, there is a misconception that it's okay to use water with your new laminate floor. Now, there are a few floors that do have some water resistance, but the majority of laminates do not, so a good rule of thumb is to not use water with your floor, and that includes mopping. You do not want to wet mop your laminate floor, and if you do get your laminate floor wet, you want to be diligent and timely in cleaning that up. Following these basic tips will maintain your laminate floors and keep them looking beautiful.